Number 38, revise to replace to be verbs. Is, are, was, were, be, being, been, am. Weak verbs. They reflect only a state of being, mere existence. You're not going to get rid of them all, but it is always stronger writing if you can replace them with an active, engaging verb. The tiger is behind the rock. The tiger crouched behind the rock. Scary. Crouched is a stronger verb than is. What do you do when you're thinking of verbs? I think of them as the pivot of the sentence. Do you? I really focus on them, and I do try to eliminate as many to-be verbs as I possibly can. Picture the situation. That will help you get into the action if you can see the people doing things. Here's an example, and here's the prompt. Let's say you have a character who's passionate about art. Your first draft is, he is going to the exhibit. Well, it's factual. Try revising it to get that passion in there. I know you can do it. And I look forward to hearing what you come up with and how you approach it. I read all the comments. It'd be wonderful if you'd make a video and upload it. Use the hashtag #BeatTheBotsBook. That way I can amplify your voice. Spread your views to the wider community because your voice matters. You matter. If you came to this video in any way other than the book, Beat the Bots, the Writer's Guide to Surviving and Thriving in the Age of AI, I'd love it if you take a look at the book. It's filled with exercises and worksheets to help you bring forth your creativity and harness its power. I know you can do it. This book will help you by focusing on specific elements and coming up with ideas that are truly new. That's how we'll beat the bots. Would you ask your librarian to put it on the shelf? And your local bookseller? I'd be so appreciative. Thank you.